You ever get a raise, you feel excited for like a week, and then somehow nothing actually changes? Same stress, same pressure, same feeling of being stuck. You're making more money, but it still feels like you're not getting ahead. And you start thinking, maybe I just need to earn more. But here's the uncomfortable truth. That's not the real problem. If that sounds like you, that's literally most people. I spend way too much time thinking about why making more money won't fix your financial problems. 5 reasons. Look, making more money can help. But if you don't fix what's underneath, it won't change anything long term. In fact, it can actually make things worse. And today, I'm going to break down the 5 real reasons why more income alone won't solve your financial problems, and what actually will. Reason number 1, lifestyle inflation will eat your income. Here's the thing. Every time your income increases, your lifestyle quietly follows. You make more, you spend more. It's almost automatic. Example, let's say you go from $3,000 per month, $5,000 per month. That's an extra $2,000. Sounds like a huge upgrade, right? But what happens? You upgrade your apartment plus $800. You get a nicer car plus $400. You eat out more plus $300. Subscriptions, shopping, convenience plus $500. Now your expenses have increased by $2,000. You're back to zero. Here's what most people don't realize. Humans adapt quickly. What once felt like a luxury becomes normal and then necessary. That's called lifestyle inflation. Reason number 2, income without systems creates chaos. Look, more money without structure, it is just more chaos. Now, you might be thinking, but if I make more, I'll just save more. Not necessarily, because without a system, money disappears. Example, 2 people make $6,000 per month. Person A, no plan, spends freely, saves whatever is left. Person B automatically saves 20%, $1,200, invests consistently. After 1 year, person A $0 saved, person B $14,400 saved plus investment growth. Same income, completely different outcome. Reason number 3, you can't out-earn bad habits. This is where it gets really interesting. Your habits scale with your income. If you're bad with money at $2,000/month, you'll be bad with money at $10,000 per month, just with bigger numbers. Example, spending 90% of your income. At $2,000, you save $200. At $10,000, you save $1,000. Still only 10%. Same behavior, different scale. It's like pouring water into a leaking bucket. More water doesn't fix the leak. It just delays the problem. Reason number 4, more money doesn't fix emotional spending. Let's be honest, a lot of spending isn't logical. It's emotional. Stress, spend. Boredom, spend. Reward, spend. And more money just gives you more room to do it. Example, you have a bad day. You justify, I deserve this. And now instead of spending $20, you spend $200 because you can. Here's what most people don't realize. Money amplifies who you already are. If you're disciplined, you grow faster. If you're impulsive, you lose faster. Reason number 5, income alone doesn't build wealth. Investing does. This is the biggest one. Making money is step 1. Keeping and growing it, that's where wealth is built. Let's compare 2 people. Person A makes $8,000 per month, saves $500, doesn't invest. Person B makes $5,000 per month, saves $1,000, invests at 8% after 30 years. Person A, $180,000 saved. Person B, $1.5 million invested. Lower income, higher outcome. This is where everything flips. Now, you might be thinking, so making more money doesn't matter? No, it matters, but it's not enough. Income is a tool, not the solution. Here's what most people don't realize. Wealth isn't built from income alone. It's built from systems. System number 1, automatic saving. Pay yourself first, before you spend anything. Even 20% makes a massive difference. System number 2, consistent investing. Let's say you invest $500 per month. At 8% over 30 years, that's over $750,000. Same habit, different outcome. System number 3, intentional spending. Instead of, can I afford this? Ask, is this worth delaying my future? That question changes everything. The lifestyle design perspective. Look, money isn't just about numbers. It's about how you live. If you keep upgrading your lifestyle every time you earn more, you stay stuck. But if you upgrade your systems instead, you move forward. Let's simplify everything. Every dollar you make should go into one of 3 buckets. Living needs plus lifestyle. Investing, future growth. Freedom, options, flexibility. Example breakdown. $5,000 per month. $2,500 living. $1,500 investing. $1,000 flexibility. Now your money has direction. The real problem most people have, it's not income, it's behavior, it's a habit, it's a system. And until those change, nothing else will. Look, making more money feels like the answer, but it's only part of the equation. Because if you don't change how you handle money, you'll always feel behind, no matter how much you earn. So here's what I want you to do. Don't focus on making more money this week. Focus on managing what you already have. Set up one system, automatic savings, automatic investing, or tracking your spending. Start there. And if this video helped you see money differently, make sure to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment. What's one money habit you're going to fix starting today? I'll see you in the next one.